Don't get funny over there.
Get funny with what?
Oh, God. Oh, Frank thought he'd have to shoot.
Hey, go get Lisa's back.
I'm not going to tell him something.
What?
Okay.
I haven't got him nothing, Frank.
Well, yes, you did. But that's funny shit right there.
Hey, Daisy.
It's all over the house. You gotta get a
No, just all over me.
Oh, God damn.
You better keep your mouth closed there, Frank. That's not stink.
Hi, Daisy.
Hold that up, Frank, so they can take a picture of you.
No.
Smile.
Cheese.
That was my idea, dude.
Oh. Over the devil. I want you to tell him to do something.
What? I didn't tell him to do nothing, Frank.
Look at that.
Jesus, Frank. What the hell are you doing?
Ashley, I'm gonna need help putting this on
Don't step
Facebook.
nowhere, Frank.
I got this on video. Okay.
Yeah.
When are you gonna do it? As soon as it goes from here, or it goes outside.
On the back of the
No,
couch.
she
Did
doesn't
you
have
see
it.
his face?
That's what they're doing again.
Oh.
I didn't do it, Frank.
Okay. It's enough.
Mom, one other thing.
Love you, Frank.
Oh, sure you do.
You don't want to. Oh, that was totally weird.
You can help. We don't.
I'm kind of scared to go to bed tonight.
Walk, Frank. Got some hanging.